Hey guys, so when you click on your link, it will come to this screen. It has the name of the gallery. You just click Open Gallery, and you put in whatever email address you want to put in, and then you put in the password that I sent you, and it will open your gallery. When it comes up, you'll see all of the images. They do have a watermark on them, but that's not going to be on the prints or the digital files. It's just on the gallery. And so you can look through them. You can click an individual photo, and you can scroll through and look at the images. And when you get to one that's a favorite where you're like, oh, I have to have this one, you can mark it. It makes it really easy to save your favorites. So you can click Save Favorites, keep scrolling. Any of them that you're like, oh, that's a favorite, you can click on any of these. And it makes it really easy later because you can go in and search through your favorites. So you go through the whole gallery, look at them all, number your favorites, back to gallery. If you scroll up, you see up here where it says Home, Info, Favorites, Cart, Favorites. So those are the ones that I starred. So you can literally narrow it down to your favorites, right? Help you sort. And so let's go to Cart. Right now we don't have anything in the cart. Go back to Home. How about we go, okay, I definitely want to get this one. You can click Buy Photo, and it'll offer you options. So you choose items. So if you're like, I want that in a 5x7, you click here, you put however many you want, hit Add to Cart. If you are interested in purchasing a package, you can go to Show Discounts, and it tells you the packages become automatic if you select these items and have them in your cart. So let's say you're getting the Essentials package. That means you're getting 6 5x7s. So it says choose any and at least 6 of the following item. So choose any, you can get 6 different ones, 6 different 5x7s, 4 different 8x10s. They could all be the same or different, it doesn't matter. And at least one item, an 11x14 canvas, gallery wrap canvas. And it will automatically reduce the price for all of those things to this price. Same thing with any of these. So any of these packages, if you put all those items in your cart, it will give you this package price. So, go back to hide discounts. I mean, you can leave them up there so you can see exactly what you need to get. Anyway, and then you just go and order what you want. And then when you're done, you just go to the cart to check out. And if you have any questions at all, please give me a call.